Go ahead.
Why did the star go to the bathroom?
Why?
Because it had to twinkle. Ha ha. Ha ha. Ha ha.
What do you call a cow with no legs?
What?
Ground beef.
Ha ha.
Ha ha. Ha ha. Ha ha.
Hi, this is the video newsletter for the week of January the 16th. This is the fourth time that I have recorded this because I said the date wrong. We will be in school. School will be in session on Monday the 16th. That will be a snow makeup day, so school is in session on Monday, so I will see you there. Also, this week I sent home the last packet of information for our Indiana State Notebook. If you remember, in December I sent back home information about purchasing a binder and page protectors to use for the notebook. Also, we also sent home papers about mailing off for brochures and books to help you find pictures to use in your notebook for the state of Indiana. And then today I'm sending home a final packet of information. These are actual pages that will be used in the notebook. It also has a checklist of everything that's expected in each of the 5 sections. So if you don't see that packet coming home, you need to talk to them because I gave it to them today. Now, each week students will turn in one section of the notebook just so that I can double check to make sure that they're completing everything in a neat and orderly manner and aren't missing anything. It won't actually be graded until the final notebook gets turned in on February the 27th. So just something to keep in mind with the Indiana State Notebook. Also, this week we started a novel study. I gave the students a choice of about 8 different novels that they could read on their own, and it is due to be finished read by, I don't even think that's proper grammar, but you know what I mean, by the 20th. So we got that on Monday, so they have 2 full weeks to read through this novel, and then we will be completing a project on it, mostly at school. The only thing that they might have to take home on it is if they don't finish the project at school. Now, that being said, it would be a good idea if you checked with your student to make sure that they have their novel. They should be about halfway through their novel at this point. So if they're not, you might want to just give them a good nudge, friendly reminder, encouragement to get that done. Other than that, those are our 2 main projects that we're working on right now. And then I think that's all that I have going on. On Friday the 20th, the 5th graders are going to be taking a trip over to Boonville Middle School to have a talk about the band. I'm pretty sure that's the 20th, so you should be looking for a paper coming home this week on that. And then, as far as I know, that's the main big thing that we have coming up. The other thing you might want to keep in mind is I-STEP testing will begin pretty soon, and so if you have doctor's appointments that need to be scheduled or appointments, I would try to schedule those for as late in the day as possible because most of our testing, in fact, I think all of it is done before lunch. So if you can make sure any doctor's or dentist appointments for the next couple of months are scheduled at the end of the day, that would be great. I know that was a lot of information, and if you have any questions on that, just feel free to give me a call. And just keep an eye out for notes that come home because occasionally I try to send some updates that way as well. But we've had a pretty good this week. I hope that you have had a good week as well. So we'll see you next week. Thanks.